Hey everybody, it's July 15th, 2024. I'm Connor with Honor. This is going to be your real estate update for Santa Clarita Valley. I will tell you though, before we get into the show, I'd like to discuss with you one thing. If you happen to know a real estate agent out there and they are communicating with the other side of the transaction, my suggestion is let them know that whenever they respond to any party, they should always remain professional and above reproach. So let's not get involved in this nonsense of pointing fingers and calling names and being disrespectful. Any email that an agent formulates should be professional to be able to stand under scrutiny in a court of law in front of a jury of their peers. So there's that. Here's the Santa Clarita real estate breakdown right now. Glasses on, 466 total actives on the market currently for sale. We have 15 that have entered the market in the coming soon category in the last 7 days. 88 properties are brand new on the market. That is quite a big increase. Again, price changes too. We've been following that trend. That has also been notable, and we've seen some major price changes. 68 total properties having encountered that within the past 7 days. 18 properties back on the market. 30 properties have gone active under contract. 47 properties pending. 49 have closed escrow this week. 11 have canceled. 9 have been put on hold, and 4 have been withdrawn. This real estate market currently is moving rather quickly, and we are noticing as real estate buyers are starting to see a little bit more in the way of inventory, but the inventory is still a little bit out of reach because of the high buyer drive. The other dynamic we're watching is it is taking a very small amount more time to sell listings. Small amount right now, the information's too new, and the data has only been with us maybe for a week and a half of this increasing inventory. We haven't had that adjustment yet, but I could probably point to many cases that 3 to 10 days more days on market time frame to take for a property to get from active on the market into escrow. That's very city dependent, very price dependent, but just to give you an idea, properties are still moving very fast. We haven't had enough additional inventory to make any kind of a big change that I can actually give you those super established numbers. But the point being, if the trend continues where we are, we'll be up at over 500 units for sale in not too long, and 600 and 700 after that. That could really change the dynamic of the Santa Clarita real estate market. I'll keep you posted. Right now, everything is business as usual. Sellers typically are mandating multiple offers on their properties if they're priced correctly, and buyers usually have high competition parameters with other buyers out there. I'm Connor with Honor. Thank you for watching your daily July 15th, 2024 update. Be well, Santa Clarita. We'll talk to you soon. I'm Connor with Honor. Over and out.